thunderstorm warning for central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 9:15 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Leisure-Town, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging wind gusts and hail. The severe thunderstorm will be near Presidential Lakes around 8:55 p.m., Presidential Lakes around 9 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Burlington County, New Jersey.